What? Don't stare at me like that. I took you to the doctor. Who asked you to act overly smart? And if you try to escape, then you're bound to get hurt. But Diya, you should have understood by now that time is not on your side. Look, you reached the camp, but you couldn't play the match. And Arjun hates you even though you haven't done anything. And today, you tried to escape. But you didn't succeed. Forget about all this. Arjun even saw you today.
Diya!
Arjun!
But what happened? Yet he couldn't rescue you.
Tina, you are making a huge mistake. A big mistake. The day Arjun finds out the truth, he will not spare you. Until now, I kept asking him to forgive you for your mistakes. But now, I will hand you over to the police.
In your dreams, darling, you should just relax. Oh my, look, it's just a matter of a few days. Are you lacking anything here? You get food to eat, water to drink, and you can spend time in solace. After that, I will set you free. But until then, don't try to escape from here, or you will keep getting injured.
You won't gain anything. I swear to Lord, your goals won't be fulfilled.
No, all my goals will be fulfilled. Arjun and I were made for each other. You came between both of us. But now, I am going to get you out of our lives. I will make Arjun mine at all costs. You must be jealous. I'm sure it must hurt. When you took the wedding vows with Arjun, I felt the same.
I, Arjun Agarwal, take Diya as a life partner and vow to become her wings to all her dreams and help her reach the heavens of success.
The fire is still burning within me. Until I make Arjun mine, I won't be at ease. These external wounds, they can be treated. But there is no cure for heartache. It hurts. My heart is in pain. It hurts even today. The pain cannot be seen nor can be borne. And I live with this pain every day. But you don't need to bear this pain at all. You have to get better so that you can see Arjun and me together. I want you to know how it feels when someone snatches your belongings. The pain that I went through at the altar, you will live with that pain for the rest of your life. And for that, you have to get better. I mean, you have to live.
Tina, you can throw me out of Arjun's life. But what about his heart? How will you get me out of his heart? You can snatch everything. You can take him away by force. But Arjun, you cannot win Arjun's heart. My Arjun will never ever accept you. Never!
Poor girl. I think You don't know about my plan. We have planned things in such a way that Arjun will not only marry me, but he will regret his decision of marrying you. You must be wondering what my plan is. You will soon find out. You should get some rest now. Your wound is quite deep, right? You need to get some rest. I'll see you later, okay? Bye.
She wants to be with Arjun at any cost. What is she planning? Oh Lord, please help me. Please.
Get off. Stop this drama. You got what you wanted, right? You want to live at the Agarwal mansion? We've arrived. So now, go and be a good daughter-in-law.
Arjun, thank you. Thank you so much, Arjun, for not sending me to my parents' house. Thank you, Arjun. Arjun, please listen to me. Please, don't be angry, Arjun. Don't be angry at me. And please give me one chance to prove myself right. Whatever I did, there was a reason behind all that. Arjun, I promise to set all the things right between us. I promise you, Arjun. Please, Arjun.
You'll set things right. Really? What will you do? Can you undo everything? You betrayed yourself, along with me. You know, you can correct your mistakes and wrongdoings. But nothing can be done about deception and deceitful people. Now go and finish your work. And listen, I don't want to talk to you. Get lost!
Arjun, please listen to me. Arjun, please. Arjun.
Yes, tell me.
Oh my goodness. Thank you for saving me today. Otherwise, I would have been definitely thrown out of that big mansion.
Good. Very good. You know what needs to be done, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. It is rightly said that if you really want to make something yours, then the universe helps you fulfill your wish. That's why the Lord helped me by sending Diya's look-alike to fulfill my wish.
To keep Arjun away from badminton, I have to lose the tournament.
Stop, right here, stop.
Arjun, I have you by my side. We can win all our battles as long as we are together.
Why, Diya? Why? If you wanted to leave me, then why did you come into my life? What should I do now?
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on! Listen.
Diya, where did you go without informing anyone? Did Arjun call you?
Speak, Diya. Give us an answer. How did you get hurt?
We asked you a question. Where were you?
Dear, don't be afraid. Tell us, where were you?
Mom, I have made a huge mistake. I shouldn't have hurt Arjun. I thought that your son left the house because of me. So it's my duty to bring him home. Mom, I was feeling burdened. I thought I would go out and look for Arjun at every place he could possibly go. I thought I would find Arjun and I would request him to return home. Not for my sake, but for the sake of his mom and his entire family. I wanted to bring him back home. That is why I went in search of Arjun.
Diya, how did you get hurt on your head, huh?
I was getting into that, Niharika. When I went out to find Arjun, I don't know who those men were. Those goons. Yes, they were goons. Those goons started chasing me, Niharika. I tried my best to escape from them. I ran a lot, Grandma. And I fell on the road. And I hit my head on stone. I got hurt.
But Diya, who were those goons? And why were they chasing you?
Kush, I think they wanted to kidnap me.
Hey, you! Are you deaf? Can't you hear the honk? Move your car!
Listen, don't injure his head. I want you to hit his legs only, okay?
What, are you drunk in the morning? Can't you hear the honk? Move the car right now. Move your car!
Kidnap?
Diya, can you recognize their faces?
Their faces? No, Kush. Their faces were covered. But... yes, Kush. I remember their eyes, yes.
Oh, Lord. I'm really happy that you are safe, Diya. Thankfully, Arjun reached there at the right time. Diya, I'm glad that Arjun cares about you even today.
What's the big deal? Had it been someone else, Arjun would have rescued them too.
Mom, you are not upset with me, are you? Mom, I tried my best. I really tried my best to bring Arjun home. But he didn't listen to me, Mom.
No, I'm not upset with you. I know you tried your best. In fact, you risked your life for him. Dear, I know what you must be going through right now. You have made a huge sacrifice for Arjun's future. I know that, dear. Dear, go to your room and get some rest. Deepika,
Yes, Mom?
Dear, please take Dia to her room. And one more thing, make sure she drinks turmeric milk too.
Mom? Why are you asking Deepika for all this? Deepika, don't take the trouble. I will manage. Anyway, I have caused you all enough trouble already. I don't want to add to your troubles anymore.
What did I say? Hit on his legs. Just the legs.
Arjun! Arjun? Arjun? Why am I feeling restless? Arjun, why do I feel that Arjun is in trouble?
Stop it. That's all. That's enough. Come on. Let's go. Move. Go from here. Yes, ma'am. Your work is done. He's at Malikpur Road. Yes. You can pick him up.
Mom, at least read the room before saying. Dia is injured. Arjun took her to the doctor too. You loved Dia a lot just a few days ago. But now forget about love. You don't even feel bad for her, mother. Kush, tell your dad to return home early. We are going to perform a prayer at home. Invite all our relatives, dear. We will distribute the offering after the prayer. I want each and everyone to know that Dia is the daughter-in-law of this family. This family has accepted her totally. Whether anyone believes it or not, I truly feel that Dia is the right girl for Arjun. That's why I will never let Dia and Arjun separate. Never.
Arjun? Arjun, this, what happened? Arjun, how did this happen? Arjun, please say something. Driver, come here quickly. Arjun, say something. We have to take him to the hospital.
Since the day I have come here, I have been crying constantly. I thought I would enjoy all the luxuries, eat, have fun and relax. But this, I don't know how long I have to put on this act. I have cried my eyes out. Oh my, look at them.
What happened, Dia? Were you crying?
No, Mom, actually, it was just like that.
Don't cry. How long will you cry? Don't worry, everything will be fine. I have organized a prayer at home. I need some details from you for that.
What do you mean? Which details?
Your birth time and place, Rashi, Lagna, Gotra and other things. All these things must be mentioned in your horoscope, right? I know your birth date, but I want these details from you.
Horoscope? But Mom, I don't know about all this.
Oh, yes. That's true. How would you know this? It slipped out of my mind. Do one thing. You can call your mom and ask her.
I'm in trouble again. As soon as I get out of one problem, I face another one. Now, how do I get her number? Tina didn't give me any number. Okay, Mom. I will talk to Mom and I will let you know.
Ask her now and tell me, dear. I'll be busy with the prayer preparations. I need to do a lot. Just call her.
Right now?
Yes, right now. Why? Is there a problem?
No. Why will I have a problem in calling Mom? I will do it right now.
What happened? Can't you find a number?
Mom, actually, I can't find Mom and Dad's number.
You can't find your parents' numbers? This is so weird. But dear, your mom calls you every day, right?
Deepika, the thing is that my phone was with the officials for 7 days. So, there is a technical issue. There is a problem. I'll just check. A lot of numbers have gone missing. I cannot find them. Mom, let's go downstairs quickly. Dad, Arjun, Mom, let's go quickly, please.
What happened to Arjun?
Arjun!
What happened to Arjun?
I am saved. But what has this hero done now?
Arjun! Arjun, how did this happen?
A while ago, you dropped Diya home. This accident? How did this accident happen? No, Deepika. It's not an accident. I think someone attacked Arjun.